Hi everyone, so let's start the next question. 184 department highest salary, it is of type medium. First table is employee, it has 4 column: ID, name, salary and department ID. ID, salary and department ID are type integer and name is variable character. ID is a primary key column with unique values for this table. Department ID is a foreign key. So this department ID, it is a foreign key references column of the ID of the department table. Each row of this table indicates the ID, name, salary of an employee. It also contains the ID of their department. So employee ID 1, his name is Joe, his salary is 70,000 and he belongs to department 1. Henry, his ID is 3, his salary is 80,000 and he belongs to department ID 2. Now the next table is department. I'll also scroll to the right. So next table is department. It has 2 columns, ID and name. So ID is 1 and the second column is name. So for example, Joe, he belongs to department with ID 1 and name as ID. Each row of this table indicates the ID of department and its name. Write a solution to find employees who have the highest salary in each of the departments. Okay, so if I copy these two, we have to figure out the name and salary of an employee who are earning highest in the particular department. So let's look for the IT. So for IT, let's see who is earning more. So for IT, we know that the department ID will be 1, so we will filter only these two. And who is earning more? 90,000, Jim. So we have to return Jim and how much he is earning. So he's earning 90,000. For ID 2, for sales, ID is 2 and these two are in the sales department. Is there anyone else? No, these two. And who's earning more? So it's Henry and his salary is 80,000, so it will be sales, it will be Henry and he's earning 80,000. Let's look at, okay, for this one, Max is also earning 90,000, similar salary, so it will be IT Max and 90,000. So what we have to return is, for every department we have to return who is the employee who is earning most in that particular department. So I can show you this with the query. So if we want to join these two tables, we can join them on the department ID and department's ID. So select from first table employee, let's give it as alias as E, join department D on E dot employees department and then department's ID. So if I just do E dot star, command E dot star and run this one, let's see what's the result we are getting. So for every employee, we can, first 4 column will be the ID, name, salary and department ID of the employee, and then the next 2 columns will be department ID and name, because we are connecting both on the department ID. Let's see. So Joe, he belongs to ID 1, department ID 1 and it is of IT. Now what we have to figure out, the highest salary in each of the department. So let's break again this question on a smaller steps. So if I order by E dot salary, employee salary, so it will be, and we have to order it in the descending order. So Jim, he is earning most in which department? IT. Again Max is earning most in the IT. Now let's look at the sales. So for sales, 80,000, Henry is earning more. IT, thus Joe is earning in the second highest salary. He is earning second highest, but we have to return the highest salary in each of the department. So what we can do here is, we can create a window. So what we are going to do here is, in the final result we have to return the department name. So it will be D dot name, we have to return employee's name, so E dot name, we have to return its salary, So e dot salary, and then we can create a window. So we can use dense rank or rank or row number, because it is just the very first record which we have to return. So over, and then we want to order it by e dot salary. So if I just do this one and run that, if I'm giving a result, then this window function, it is not taking care of the department, it is just sorting the whole table with the employee salary. But if again we read the constraint, we have to find the highest salary in each of the department. So in the window function we have to use partition by d dot name and order by e dot salary. So if I run this one now, I can remove order by salary from here. Okay, so now let's look at the result. So for IT, I'm getting Joe as rank 1 and Jim as rank 2, and here we have to order it in the descending order. So if I see, we are getting Jim and Max as rank 1 in the IT department, and in the sales we are getting Henry. So now what we have to do, we just have to store this in the temporary table. So let's CTE as this one, and we will just extract the columns. So first let's give it as a name as department name, this will be as employee name. So what we have to return, d underscore name from CTE as, this will be our department, e dot e underscore name as employee, salary as salary from CTE, where this rank should be 1. So from this table, if we just extract 1, then we'll get the expected result, IT Gym, IT Gym, IT Gym, IT Joe, and then this one. So if I run this one, so our test case got accepted, and let's submit it. So it got accepted. Thank you.